Morning light spill soft across the floor, coffee cooling by the door. I used to chase a distant view. Now I'm waking up to you. All the noise I held so tight fades into a quieter kind of ride. Love what you have, right where you stand. Not every dream needs a bigger plan. Hands in the moment, heart finally still. Some things don't need fixing, some never will. Love what you have, let it be enough. There's a kind of magic in the simple stuff. City hum like a gentle song. Nothing here feels rushed or wrong. Used to think I missed my turn. Now I see there's more to learn. I don't need the perfect scene, just a life that feels like me. All the gold I couldn't see was already here quietly. Love what you have, right where you stand. No more reaching for another land. Here in the present, I understand. Everything I needed was close at hand. Love what you have, let it be enough. There's a steady beauty in the simple stuff. Soft as a whisper, clear as the truth. I was searching for more, found it in you. There was a mile marker bending in the heat. Sky stretched thin like a worn-out sheet. I wasn't looking for a sign or a clue, just driving through what I couldn't undo. Old radio barely holding a tune. Static dancing in the afternoon. Then something slipped through the empty blue, like it had a map straight leading to you. I didn't turn the dial, didn't ask for anything new. There it was, breaking through. It was a song that found you. Out on the road with nothing left to prove. Fell through the cracks in the quiet and the blue, like it always knew. It was a song that found you. Didn't matter where you were passing through. Hit like a truth I never could have known. knew your name. Never says it, but it feels the same. It was the song that found you, soft as a spark, but it cut right through. Lit up a place you thought you always knew, but never could. It was the song that found you. No need to chase what was already true. Some things arrive when your heart makes room. Yeah, it found you. Radio faded, but I still hear it move, like it's riding every road I choose. Not something lost or something to pursue, just the song that found you.
Walking past the old bakery, the morning light once caught your hair. The scent of rain on cobblestone mingles with memories I can't repair. I trace the path we used to know, past windows reflecting what I can't let go. 'Cause every breeze that passes by carries fragments of goodbye, like perfume in the air tonight, leading me back to our time. Your fragrance haunts these lonely streets, a ghost I chase but cannot meet. Through alleyways and memories sweet, your presence lingers incomplete. The flower shop where you'd always pause still blooms with roses, jasmine, pine. Now each breath of summer air just leaves me searching line by line. Through chapters of our story lost, while seasons change and pathways cross, the scent grows stronger as I roam through places we once called our home. Each corner holds a piece of you and fragments of your sweet perfume. And I know that you're not coming back. The air still holds you close, and I feel every trace you left behind, like a map I can't erase. Your fragrance haunts these lonely streets, ghosts I chase but cannot meet. Through alleyways and memories sweet, your presence lingers incomplete. The autumn wind carries something familiar through empty streets at dusk. This time I let it pass me by.
I saw the way you looked at her like she lit a match inside your chest. Don't bother telling me it's harmless. I've memorized your worst and best. Your coat still smelled like winter air and something sweet that wasn't mine. You came home late with lips half tucked behind a crooked silent lie. So don't say her name, I already know. I watched it happen, soft and slow. The way your fingers brushed her wrist, like I was someone you could miss. Hope she tastes the guilt you hid, 'cause I was that girl you kissed.